in BPM. So that's what I did. Behind the scene, when I was in my logging screen on my custom portal, I was calling a Bonita authentication.login with the things I have typed in the user interface. So this connects automatically to the Bonita engine and checks the credentials of your users. After that, I have the keyword Ben. So this is to place the request in an asynchronous manner. So it's only once I have made my HTTP request to authenticate myself, then I do the content here inside my function. Next call is to use the process definition resource, and I have a shortcut method called getStartable by current user. So this will assemble automatically for me the right URL with the right parameters to filter a list of process definitions that I can start. So this is what actually I use in my portal to load this data here. And actually I can show you in practice what it does. If I go and trace and I do a refresh on the list, this here is the request that gets generated. So it's /bonita/API/BPM/processes and then a couple of parameters to filter the list of processes based on my current user ID and to order them by display name. This is what it does. And it's paginated. Here I see 10 results at maximum. So all of this request here gets done actually by this call here, get started by current user. The rest here, promise and then, is just to place the result of the request in an asynchronous queue and to execute once I had the result this function with the result here. And what it does in this example is just logging out on the console of the browser my process definitions with their names. And at the end I just log out. So that's how ng Bonita works.